Hali ya anga imebadilika kabisa, mvua imekuwa kidogo. Kwa wakati huu ni kiangazi, maji kutafuta ni shida, kwa vile nikipanda mimea haitoboi, inakauka.
Kulikuwa na miti mingi sana na tulikuwa tunalima tunapata mavuno mengi, lakini kwa saa hii tumekata miti sana. Saa hii sasa kumekauka.
In Makueni, 78% of the households' income is derived from agriculture. And so when land is degraded and there's reduction in agricultural productivity, it means many households are going to forego some essential part of activities that they need to undertake, including sending the children to school, including meeting health bills, and also just cohesion within the family setup. And that has resulted into issues to do with rural to urban migration that has left homes not very stable to some extent.
The role of Green Belt movement in this project is to mobilize the communities to ensure that they cluster in a way that it will be easy for them to implement the project. We will be doing some tree planting on farms, tree planting in the forests. We are working with the community forest associations as well as the existing structures within the communities to mobilize the communities. So we will be working in a holistic way to ensure that each and everyone is incorporated in this project.
The recent past has seen a growing awareness on the impacts of climate change, and that has sparked that need and anxiety among stakeholders to come together and discuss how they are going to address these issues. For us as WRI, we've had an opportunity to put these guys together, and we've been able to develop what we call multi-stakeholder platforms that draws actors within the landscape to participate in this process by sharing ideas and just building that common goal and rallying members towards taking action to this.
Any donor interested in funding such a project, when you fund and when you work with the local communities, you'll be able to achieve success because the local communities understand their needs. The local communities know what is the best for them. Therefore, any donor working with the local communities is the best approach.